Hi, Captain Kent here from Sunrise Marine, and today we're going to show you a few tips on how to launch your boat by yourself. Well, before we got to the ramp, we made sure all our coolers and drinks and all our other equipment was on board, as well as the plugs were in the boat. Now, as you back the boat down the ramp, back it down to about where the fender goes under the water. That way you'll know it's deep enough that the boat will slide off. The way I like to do it, when I'm putting the boat in by myself, I'll board the boat. Be extremely careful when you do this because that fiberglass can be really slick. So you get in, get your engines put down, and start the engine. Put the boat in forward gear so the boat will try and get back on the trailer. That way it won't slide off when you release the winch. Unhook your bow, get back in your boat, and back it off the trailer in one smooth motion. Then you can put it back over in another slip that's empty and tie it off so you can move your truck. This is Captain Kent, hoping you've learned a couple of tips here, and we're hoping to see you out on the water.